How to submit picture in Google Classroom. Open Google Classroom. Refresh or reload the class. Press the assignment to open. Press the arrow up button. Press the Add Attachment button. Press Take Photo for picture and Record Video for video recording, and remember, stable and fast internet connection is required when submitting video and pictures. Your smartphone's or tablet's camera will open automatically. Press the Capture or Recording button. Press check mark to attach and repeat button to capture or record again. Attached videos and/or pictures will be displayed on the list of attachments. Press Turn in to submit. You have successfully submitted your picture. Your teacher will be automatically notified. Thank you for watching.